Oh, right. Oh, okay, ate. Breakfast buffet nila. Ikutin natin, guys. Meron sila dyan kung ayaw mo ng espresso. So, I choose latte. Ang ganda naman ito. Yes. Cereals, muffins, carrot cake, breads. Sarap kusan. Konti lang yung guys, kaya ganun. Ayan guys. Serrano. Tapos may ham. Cheese. Ayan. Turkey. Smoked salmon. Boiled egg. At saka yung fruits niya. May cream cheese din guys. Siyempre, yogurt. Juices. Ayan. Milk. Yan. Tara, kain tayo. Breakfast na tayo. Wala na. Wala akong sugar. Dala na. Oh. Good morning, ma'am. How is your day? How is your breakfast? Are you enjoying your breakfast, ma'am? Okay. Chocolate aura. Yan. Op. Kain na. Mayora nyo, PG na.